This is the sleeve. Now we shall sew that together again with the flat fill seam here. See, these are quite shaped. It's not exactly primitive cutting as we thought 30 years ago when I started in this business. See you in a minute. So now I have sewn in the side pieces on both sides with flat felt seam. So now it's time for us to put in the sleeves. So I have to turn this inside out. And then right side out of this. So I guess this is that one. Oh, it's always an intelligence test to find out which one is which. So this is right. Do you do the same? Okay, so here in this model and in Moselund, the seam in the sleeve are here. Here. Remember your marks from the pattern. When I use this flat filled seam, there's like one seam is going under the other on the right side, like here on the back of the sleeve. This goes under and this seam goes over. And on the sleeve, I want the sleeve to go over, not under, so it looks like it's stuck into the dress. I want it to have this nice fold over the shoulder. And to do that, the body part have to be under in this seam. So it shall be the longest. The body part have to be the longest. Seam allowance. So now use my marks and pin where I want them to be. And when stitching in a sleeve, you will notice that if you take a tape measure and measure around here the length of the top of the sleeves, it is 2-3 centimeters longer than the arm side. And that is, don't worry about that. It's I done that in purpose because then there's a little more fill in the sleeve top. It fits you better because we are not in an angle 90 degrees. We have a fill, so it fits better to the body. And that extra width is from here to there. So you will see on the pattern sheet that the marks goes here and to here fit 1-to-1 and here. So this piece is 1-to-1. And this piece, this last, the shoulder, you can see the shoulder side, if that's the word. The sleeve is a little bigger than the body part. So you have to stretch and fold and stretch the body a little. And that's so easy to do in wool, so it's no problem. So that's just to do that. And then fit the rest where they should be. Here. And sew it with flat felt seam, of course, all the way around.